The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G is an upcoming mid-range smartphone that's generating buzz for bringing solid specs and modern features to the Hot series when it arrives in 2026. It is expected to sport a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a high refresh rate and sharp resolution, offering smooth visuals for everyday use and gaming. Under the hood, the phone is likely powered by a capable octa-core MediaTek chipset paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and generous storage options, making multitasking and app performance fluid. Photography is set to be respectable with a 50MP triple rear camera system and a 13MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The device should also include a 5160 mAh battery that delivers long endurance and support for fast charging, while running the latest Android-based XOS software out of the box. Early reports suggest regional rollouts could begin mid to late 2026, although exact launch dates may vary by market and have not been confirmed officially yet.